Alright, we're working on the race car today. I got my buddy Bo here, helping me out. I was going to start building the tank, the outer cover for that fuel tank, but apparently I don't have any sheet metal kicking around here that's like decently thin. We're kind of just going as we go, but I think the big thing we're going to try and do today is knock out some of this garbage. Maybe pull these rockers off because they're also garbage. Pull this battery box and all of the foam associated with it. Maybe we'll get to pull that inner firewall out. I don't know. We'll just kind of pick away at it, get it up on the left, see what we're looking at underneath. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Tyson's coming by in a little bit. He's going to do some more filming because I'm probably going to be terrible at it because my head's all over the fucking place. Well, we've made it a lot lighter. There's still about 30 pounds worth of mud up front though. So we pulled the floor out, pulled the firewall or the secondary firewall out, assessing the actual firewall and see what we had to fix. Cut these rockers off now that are kind of barely held on anyways. Cut those off, and we're gonna cut these off and then rebuild from there. Head.
Holy fucking foam.
Shit. You missed a lot of foamage this morning.
You're going to take a few cuts to get rid of this first.
Yeah.
I would just cut that. Cut right down. Somewhere like here and then come across here.
Yeah.
And then come all the way across here and cut that off or something.
And then we could probably just run that plate right against that one. Or just fucking cut it right down the shock tower. Cut right here.
Yep.
Just take this whole fucking thing off.
That ain't gonna hurt.
No, because there's this.
Then you're gonna put a piece of plate.
There's a piece of plate here already, anyways, right? Oh!
That's
welding. It actually is. Pipe broke.
the pipe broke. It's not very good pipe though.
Oh, it's fucking. Well, we put hinges on it, we can fucking lift it right over anyway.
Yeah, and then it blows up one day and it's not going anywhere. Right?
Yeah.
Then you ain't seeing shit. I gotta know what's holding it. I mean, there's obviously more weld on it, but there's more foam than there is weld.
Yeah.
Oh.
Work it, baby, work it.
Turn it over and go up. Seriously?
What's going on?
Cut a ton.
There you go.
There it goes. You know the fucking battery's not going anywhere.
It's not very thick tube.
That's a speed hole.
Hey, not very thick tube in
It's
there.
like 1/8.
Like that? No, it's not even. Look at it.
Okay,
That's your frame.
100 wall.
What is your frame?
That's what this is for. I didn't put the fucking thing in.
Here,
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut right onto here.
right around that fucking weld,
Right around that bead, yeah.
and then all the way down this pan.
Probably just fucking put a chain on the fucking thing and pull it off.
seem to fucking burn.
Yummy. That'll put her in your chest.
Fuck, all I can taste is that fucking foam now. Cut this off. Yeah, we can take that fucking brake line out there. Earlier, he's like, oh, did you disconnect that brake line back there? I'm like, yep. Snip. He's like, you fucking cut it. I'm like, yeah, I disconnected it. Fuck, Johnny's gonna lose it on Monday. Look at all this fucking shit I gotta sweep up.
What are you gonna say?
I was gonna say maybe fucking cut that fucking section of the floor out.
If you're gonna cut it, just cut it here though.
Yeah, right? Cut
Leave
it
the
there.
tunnel.
Leave the tunnel and then just fucking.
I'm gonna leave this piece because that's.
And then just fucking run a little. Because we've got to build a subframe for there anyways. Or a subfloor anyways.
Cut this out. All of this.
That fucking. That
Dropper's gone.
tub's not actually that bad. Yeah, right? Just fucking cut that right out. Because it's not doing anything anyways. Like you said, leave that fucking. That tunnel support.
Yeah, leave the tunnel support and leave the fucking top of the tunnel so you can build off of.
Something to build off of. I wanted to build fucking straight up. Straight not loud. Not loud. Bodywork. Make a new one. Wait till you see it underneath. It's all like.
Can't wait. Yeah, see what I'm talking about?
That speed hole.
You never had this thing on a hoist before?
I did, but that wasn't that big.
Like, you raced this thing, you know that, right?
Like, I wanted to build new brackets for this anyways because I knew that was fun.
But you might as well build a solid bracket that goes right in the frame.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I think it's open.
Horrible.
Watch your tootsies here.
Hey,
Watch your tootsies. Come on.
glad you're clean.
You can't stand fucking walking on shit.
Oh, and it's fucking camera right here, bad.
Yeah.
So that whole fucking thing's fucking pushed in.
Yep.
See how straight this one is?
Yeah.
Look at the bow in this one.
Yeah.
There's more foam. High quality race car.
High quality shit right here. Nice race car.
I thought that was your glove hanging out of there.
That's what's left of it pushing.
So that's. Let's use a stick welder or something.
Yeah, man. That's why I said a lot of the fucking welds in here are fucking garbage. I get it, you're working with what you got, but goddamn. Ah, nobody will see it. Spray foam it. We're still gonna pull the rest of this off, and then we're gonna run a nice piece of plate, right straight back, connect it in the cage, re-brace this up so that we can put our wiper cowl back on, rebuild the floor, re-put a transmission cross member back into this thing because that's falling apart. Straighten out those shock towers because those shock towers on the rears are also bent, rotten. And rebuild underneath here, which I was kind of expecting anyways, because I was hoping that we didn't have to do it. Build a better drive shaft drop loop rather than that fucking piece of flat bar that's just kind of lieutenant dangling. Redo some of the firewall because the firewall's got a bunch of holes in it. We're not allowed to have holes in it. Then we'll get into reinforcing back here and moving the cage back so we can get a little bit more weight on the rear end. Redo that steering mount because now that steering mount's going to be way too high. Extend the pedals. There's a lot of shit to do still. Redo brake lines. All the brake lines are not bad, but not good either. I want to rebuild the rad support because I don't like it. We still got to build bumpers too. I haven't even thought about bumpers. That's going to be fucking a last minute on the hop fucking thing. I got to change that front strut because that one's bent. We got a little foam pulled out, so that was really good. Well, not all of the foam.
Yeah, no.
Like 100% sure that there's probably another like 10 pounds worth of foam still in this fucking thing. Yeah, there's a lot of work to do. And I got nothing but time. It's gonna be a lot of Saturdays putting those fucking things. The part where I contemplate my life decisions. God damn, what the fuck am I doing with myself? Yeah.
But racing's fun.
Well, racing's fun. It's expensive, but it's fun.
All right, well, we got the car stripped apart, and it's a hell of a lot worse than we expected. It's pretty bad. So, this member here is bent and it's creased in. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it's oh yeah, you can definitely see it. Yeah, it's creased in there. This one's see-through, so if that counts for, I mean, that's weight reduction right there, but that's no good. So yeah, I think what we're gonna have to do is, I called around a couple guys today to see if we can find a whole front clip, because this trans member is also destroyed. We called around a couple guys. Nobody's really got anything. It's a 40-year-old car that, you know, it's a 40-year-old car. We live in the Rust Belt. This shit's gonna happen. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these out and replace them with 2x3, just like they did with the rest of the frame, and kind of reinforce it, throw some fish plates in there, and we're gonna drop the motor, pull the front subframe out, get all this stuff out of our way, and then go back to it. So we'll probably have to rebuild some of the firewall, because I feel like what's left of this firewall is going to get in my way. So yeah, we will do that, but we will not do that today because I just don't want to do it today. That's all it really boils down to. So make sure you guys hit the like button. Actually hit the like button. And then yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this thing. Hit the subscribe button. I always suck at these, and now there's guys looking at me and I feel awkward. God damn it. Yeah, so hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, notification bell. You guys know what the deal is, and we'll see you guys next time.